In this tutorial, we will learn how to add padding in Google Sheets. So we will learn how to add paddings in cells in a horizontal way and in a vertical way. So first, let's see how to add horizontal padding. I will write some text and select the list of cells where you want to add horizontal padding. Go to Format, under Number, select Custom Number Format, and here first add @. Now @ will define whatever value is there in your cell. If you want to add padding to it, so let's say I want to add left padding, so I will hit the space bar to add padding. If you want to add 2 units of padding, hit the space bar twice. So I will add 2 units of padding on the left, and in the right I will add 2 units of padding. So I will hit space bar 2 times again, and now I will click on apply. Now you will see there is left padding of 2 and there is a right padding of 2 added to the cells. You can change this thing. Go to Format, Number, Custom Number Format, and you can add more number of padding. Click on apply and those paddings will be applied. You can see this again, and I will see this. So as you can see this, the paddings are getting added. You can remove this padding, so simply go to Format, Number, and choose plain text, and this will remove all the paddings. So this is how you add horizontal padding and remove horizontal paddings. Now let's see how to do vertical paddings. So I will again select this list of cells, and first I will align them vertically middle. So I'll click on this one, which is vertical align, select the middle one. Now all the cells will be aligned, all the values in the cells will be aligned vertically at the middle position. Then I will make sure that none of the text in the cells are selected as wrapped by default. So I will go to text wrapping option and make sure one of the two options selected. One is overflow, which is by default, and other one is the clip one. So now it is selected as overflow, so I'm fine. Select the cell where you want to add the padding, then go to this ruler over here and place my mouse here. This will turn to an arrow and slightly drag them down to add padding to the top and bottom. I can do this to the entire list of cells. So this is how you add vertical padding in Google Sheets. And to remove the vertical padding, just double click on this thing and this will automatically adjust the cell height to the value or the content present inside the cell. So this is how you add padding in Google Sheets. We saw how to add horizontal padding, we saw how to add vertical padding. You can see more details in the blog post, and the link is given in the description. See you in your next tutorial.